It's that time. Surprise package time, surprise package time. What did order? I don't know, cause I ordered a long time ago. Surprise package time, surprise package time. Oh. Hey, this one is not from AliExpress. Oh, geez, this is my Amazon order. Okay, I'm gonna have to actually show myself off on camera in order to show you this. This is kind of neat. Alright, here I am, large and filling out the frame. Oh, it's amazing they fit this gigantic butt on the picture. Okay, check this out. This is so silly. It is a coat designed to look like an old Crusader outfit. I'm not even too sure to get into this. Oh man, I thought this had a zipper on it. Okay, I guess it's a pullover. So I guess I'll just pull it over. This is the largest size they had, so I don't even know if I can fit in this thing. Let's see. I'll figure this out. Where there's a will, there's a way. Yeah. Oh man, this might be a little too tight for me. Oh, yeah, this thing's too tight for me, but that is pretty cool. Your lordship, off to fight in the Crusades, a full belly and sword in hand. Look, I like this. This is way too tight. Oh my god, this is killing me. I gotta say though, even stretched out over this large mass, it still kind of fits not too bad. This is too bad. He's not too bad over here. Oh man, I should get the helmet. Get that steel helmet. There's a steel helmet that matches this actually perfectly. These are a little less than authentic. Off to fight in the war! Ha! Okay, I think I have to return this just because I can't barely breathe in it. But this ends another medieval episode of Surprise Package Time!